Hello everyone, I'm excited to unbox and demonstrate for you the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset. In this tutorial, we're going to review all of its amazing features. Intercom, music, GPS navigation, FM radio, and phone call capabilities. It also comes equipped with voice operation, electronic noise canceling, universal pairing, and it's IPX7 waterproof. What's more, it has super fast charging, 5.4 Bluetooth technology, and dual chip octa-core processors. Okay, now let's go ahead and unbox the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset. When we slide off the cover, you can see the blue ASMAX logo on the top of your box. Inside the box, we've got the S1 Bluetooth headset. You can take a look, it's got a beautiful black sleek design. At the back, we have the function key. In front, we have the intercom key. On the top, we have the volume up and volume down buttons. On the bottom here is where you will plug in your hybrid cable for both your speaker and microphone. And on the back, we have the charging port. Underneath the foam here inside the box, we have a box that contains all of the equipment. Over here we have the speaker Velcro, we have the speaker pads, the speaker unit. Just so you know, the speaker pads can be placed in between the Velcro and the speaker unit to allow the speaker to be closer to your ears for even better hearing. This is the S1 main unit. This is the microphone and the microphone Velcro. This is the boom microphone and the boom microphone Velcro, along with an extra microphone sponge. This is the charging cable. This is the clamp attachable base, which is one option you can use to attach the S1 main unit to your helmet. This is the 3M glue plate, which you can use as a different option to attach the S1 unit to your helmet. This is the cleaning pack, and this is the S1 user manual. Next, I'm going to explain how to install the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset into your helmet. First, you have two installation methods. One is the 3M glue plate, and one is the clamp. If your helmet has a relatively thick edge, more than 5 millimeters, I recommend that you use the 3M glue plate installation method. If your helmet has a relatively thin edge, less than 5 millimeters, you can use the clamp installation method. The helmet I have here is less than 5 millimeters, so I'm going to be using the clamp installation method. First, we can grab our S1 unit and attach it to the clamp base. And attach the base to the left side of your helmet. Once the base is attached to your helmet, we can grab the speakers and the microphone. First, we need to attach the speakers to the microphone. You have to pay attention to it. Make sure that you're inserting it the right way up. Okay, so I'm going to pull back some of the padding in my helmet, and then I'm going to grab the 3M Velcro attachments inside the helmet. Then we're going to grab our speaker unit. One speaker has a short cable, the other one has a long cable. You want to place the speaker with the short cable on the side near your S1 unit. So we're going to place this one on the left side of our helmet. And then what I like to do is thread the speaker with the long cable through the top, underneath the top padding of my helmet, so it's not bothering me when I'm riding. Now we're going to attach the speaker to our S1 main unit. The last thing we're going to do is we need to place our microphone and its Velcro in the front of your helmet near your mouth. So I'm going to take the Velcro, Place the Velcro in the front of the helmet. Attach the speaker. And the last thing I like to do is hide the cables behind my padding. All right. And once you've done that, you've successfully installed the S1 unit into your helmet. If you want to detach your S1 unit from your helmet, we can unplug the speaker and then press here at the top of the base and slide your unit out, and you're done. The S1 is a smart Bluetooth headset. It can be used to play music, answer calls, activate voice control, activate lighting, listen to the FM radio, and most importantly, use the intercom. Next, I will demonstrate step-by-step how to use these features. First, some of these features require you being connected to the app, so I recommend that you download and update the ASMAX app on your mobile phone first. Next, I'm going to show you how to connect your device to the app. First, you have to make sure that your device is turned on. The S1 device has two buttons on the face of it. We have the function button and the intercom button. To turn it on, long press the function and intercom button at the same time.
High max battery, 90%.
Once it's turned on, we're going to long press the function key.
Start pairing.
Once we've started pairing on our S1 device, we can open our phones, go to settings, open Bluetooth. Other devices will see the ASMAX S1. Press that.
Device 1 connected.
And you'll hear your S1 unit tell you that device 1 is now connected. After it's connected, we can close settings and open up the ASMAXworld app. Once we've opened the app, we can press the plus button, find our device in the matching devices,
App connected.
You can hear now that the app is connected. Inside the main menu, we have basic information, firmware. Inside the firmware, it tells you what type of firmware you currently have downloaded within your app and on your device. Whenever there's an update for the firmware, the option will appear here. We can adjust settings related to the offline voice or the broadcast language. We can adjust settings related to the FM radio. We can turn on or off the automatic volume adjustment. The automatic volume adjustment just means that when you're in a group chat and one of the team members tries to speak to you, the music volume that you're listening to automatically be adjusted and lowered so that you can hear your group members trying to speak to you. We can adjust settings related to the notification sounds. Turn the volume up or down. We can adjust settings related to our phone. For example, calling volume. We can turn on or off auto answer. So for example, if I'm riding and I don't want to have to use my phone to answer a call, I can turn this on to automatically answer a call without having to stop paying attention to the road. We have voice dial, which we can turn on or off. We can also turn on or off calling join in mesh. Calling join in mesh is a setting that allows you to have people, when they call you on the phone, automatically join into your mesh group. We can adjust settings related to our music volume, the mesh intercom, and lastly, our personalized LED. For example, we can turn the LED on or off, or we can personalize things like the LED mode. We can change it between breathing and flashing lights. We can select the color. We can also turn up or down the brightness or the frequency of the flashing. Next, let's take a look at how you can play music using your ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset. The S1 has fine-tuned speakers that will make your music sound amazing. First, go to your phone and open up the music app. We can press the function key to play or pause the music. We can long press the volume up key to go to the previous song. or we can long press the volume down button to go to the next song. We can also use voice commands to control the music. Hi, Max.
Hi.
Music on.
Okay.
Hi, Max.
Speaking.
Pause music.
Okay.
Hi, Max.
Coming.
Next track.
Okay.
And that's how you can control music using your ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset. Next, let's take a look at the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset phone call capabilities. When you receive a phone call, you can press any button on your S1 device in order to pick up the phone call. You can press the intercom key one time to hang up the call. You can also reject an incoming call by long pressing the intercom key. Lastly, if you want to turn on or off the auto answer function, long press both the volume up and volume down button at the same time.
Automatic answering is turned on.
Now I'll describe how you can use the FM radio function. Double-click the function key to turn on or off the FM radio. Then we can long press the volume up button to go to the previous channel, or long press the volume down button to go to the next channel. You can also short press the function key to pause or continue playing the radio. To restore factory settings, you need to long press the volume up and the function key. The device will go silent, and after about 10 to 20 seconds, it will reboot and reset. Free mode is a public channel, so there's no need for a group connection. As long as free mode is turned on and all riders are in communication range, you will automatically be able to join. To be able to turn on free mode, just short press the intercom button, and up to 8 riders can join at a time. We can exit free mode by simply short pressing the intercom key again. Group mode uses mesh communication technology, allowing for more stable connections and greater communication distances. Up to 8 riders can join simultaneously. Mesh system riders can join or leave without causing disruptions. Also, pairing is a one-time setup, eliminating the need for repeated pairing. To start group mode, make sure that both of your devices are turned on, then long press the intercom key. You'll hear the smart voice feature of your S1 headset tell you that group mode has started and how many members have joined the group. Then you're going to short press the intercom key once to confirm.
Confirm.
And now you have connected to group mode. We can also use voice control to activate group mode. Hi, Max.
Here.
Group mode.
Okay. You are in.
When I use the group mode voice command, that is to join the groups that I have already created. If I want to create a new group, I can use the group mesh voice command. Hi, Max.
Speaking.
Group mesh.
Okay. Start grouping.
And now I can join the other headset to that new group.
Join 2 members.
And confirm it on my S1,
Confirm.
and you're done.
Team up.
Once we've created different grouped rooms, we can switch between standby, free mode, and group mode with a short press of the intercom key.
Free mode. Standby. Group mode.
Next, let's take a look at universal pairing between the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset and other brands' headsets. Here we have the Cardo headset. First, you need to understand that you can only connect to other brands' headsets using universal pairing for group mode. You cannot connect with them using free mode. So once you're ready to connect and universally pair these 2 devices, you want to make sure the other brand's headset is turned on. as well as your ASMAX S1 is also turned on.
High max battery. 90%.
Once both are turned on, you can place the other brand's headset into universal pairing. You know that it's entered pairing mode once the lights flash. For your ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset, we can long press the function key.
Start pairing.
This will start the pairing process. We can then double-click the intercom key.
Universal pairing.
This will begin universal
Universal
pairing.
connected.
Once the two devices are connected, we need to double press the function key in order to initiate the conversation between the two devices. You'll hear a beep beep. That lets you know that the two devices are connected and able to begin communicating. When you want to exit this universal pairing communication, simply double-click the function key again, and you've now exited the pairing. The ASMAX Bluetooth headset supports intelligent voice operation to realize most of the basic commands of the headset, including music, call, GPS, and mesh communication. If I say, "Hi Max, group mode,"
Hi.
the S1 will enter a team communication state. Even when there is no network, I can use the approximately 20 built-in offline commands for voice operation. And when we link to the ASMAX app, we can manipulate the phone to perform route navigation, send messages, and other more interesting features through voice operation. The smart voice system is very important. It allows us to realize most of the functions without needing to take our hands off the handlebars while riding, which improves operational safety and convenience. And that is the ASMAX S1 Bluetooth headset. I hope all of you can have a safe, comfortable, and reliable experience while using it. Thank you for your support of ASMAX. No borders, more freedom.